Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to K2 Blogging, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this error LCP Request Discovery where it is saying that lazy load is not applied, fetch priority high should be applied and request is discoverable in initial document. So you can see this is the first image of the blog, so let me open that. So this is the blog post and here this is the image that is added at the top section of the article, and here we got this error fetch priority high should be applied here and lazy load should not be applied on the first image of your blog post. So for this what I can do is we can add a fetch priority high in the image and remove the loading equal to lazy option from the image. So let me go to the blogger dashboard and let me click on the blog post. Now let me check if there is lazy loading applied in the image. So as you can see, this is the image tag and you can see there is no lazy load applied here, but if you go to the blogger settings and here you will see a option lazy load images. So make sure to disable this option, otherwise it will add lazy load attribute to the top images as well. So I recommend that you should turn off this option lazy load images, because this is not excluding the first image of your blog post. So we need to turn off that. Now let's go to post and click on the image, and here is the image URL. So what I can do is I will add a fetch priority high request. So if you search for it on Google, you can see fetch priority high is an HTML attribute giving browser a hint to prioritize fetching critical resources like images or script. So you can add it in your images or script fetch priority high, so that whenever your website load on a browser, it will prioritize the image loading other anything, so the image will load faster on the website. So we can add this fetch priority equal to high in the image tag. Let me copy this and I will paste it here at the image tag like this. Now let's hit update. So you can see it will signal importance. For critical assets, use it for hero images, main logos or crucial script that user need to see or interact with immediately. You can also use it with preload tag as well, so that the image delivery will be faster. And here you can see only use for truly essential above the fold content like LCP images, and don't overuse it. Too many high prioritized created traffic jams slowing down everything. So make sure to use it wisely and use it on top images of your blog post. Now let's check if this error is fixed or not. LCP Request Discovery. So what I can do is I will open it in a new tab and I will copy the URL and I will paste it here. And let's reanalyze the page again and see if the error is solved or not. Alright, let me scroll down here and you can see the error is now gone. So earlier if you scroll down, you will see a option LCP Request Discovery, but in new test there is no such options showing up here. So in this way you can fix this issue LCP Request Discovery, where you need to exclude the first image from lazy loading and add a fetch priority high should be applied on the first image of your blog post, or you can add it in your logo as well. So if you are using a logo image. So let me know if you face any issue during this process, and if you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.